What is good, guys? Today we are finally drifting again. We're at Okachan, which is Okachan's drift cram school from Yashio factory, if you didn't know. And today there's a lot more people here than normal because it's like the final day of Golden Week, which is just awesome. So a whole bunch of people I haven't seen in a long time. These three awesome cars, and then all these guys here as well. Plus about the 5 cars that are all going around out on the circuit right now. In fact, what's really cool, see this Cresta JZX100 there? That guy's name is Jason, and he's a subscriber. He moved out here on a working holiday visa, got himself a car, and now he's here at Okachan learning and getting some seat time. How sick is that, right? Anyways, enough chit chat, let's get into some drifting and awesome tandems. Okay, let's head out and see how the car feels with all this extra angle now here at Gymkhana. Okay, it takes a while to get used to because I got to move the wheel a bit more than I'm used to, but otherwise it's good. I can't get over the control I have here now, guys. It's just, I can actually throw it in so hard, but the car just takes it so well. All right, let's go. Oh man, oh yeah! Woo! My gosh, I literally just hit max angle and just powered through the whole thing. Far out, that felt so good. All right, so that was a fun first session, getting the hang of those knuckles. But I think it's time I showed you guys this car. And if you don't know, Miyamoto-san is a D1 driver. You've probably seen this car around a fair bit. It's a 600 horsepower JZX100, running a 1J still, not a 2J. Nice intake manifold, running a SARD fuel rail, SARD injectors. Looks like a truss turbo kit, but I'm not 100% sure. Looks great. And then the interior, oh, Ganadors. The interior is pretty standard, I guess, for a D1 car over here. It's running a Nardi wheel, bright fixed backs. Everything in here is pretty well cleaned out. And check this out, still using the factory handbrake. Obviously with the JZX100s, the first thing you do is take that center console piece out so you got more leverage room. Running an Apexi Power FC, everything stripped out in the rear, proper cage, looks super mint, and you know, obviously glove box is stripped out as well. Heaps of Defi gauges here on the dash, looks really good. Carbon fiber trim piece looks nice. We'll have to go for a drive in this later for sure, but it definitely looks like a handful. So we are in Koichi Miyamoto-san's JZX100, and he's killing it. Third gear entry. Woo! Sugoi jozu.
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 Wow. Sugoi. Owari, so ne. Water temper. All right, we got to do some cool down laps. But man, this thing is cool. Okay, so letting her cool down now. As we saw before, this is his engine bay, and I had a good chat to him. It's making 500 horsepower, and he said that he specifically has a really small turbo so that he has a lot of mid-range power. So I think that's very unique because a lot of D1 guys actually have like a massive turbo right for top end, but he's still running this. But obviously he's not competing in D1 this year, but he will be next year with a new car, so that's super cool. Well, it started raining out, luckily right on lunchtime, so hopefully the rain clears by the time we're done. The weather wasn't supposed to rain today, so hopefully it does disappear. It's bento time. Okachan gets these for everyone at every Okajuku Gymkhana. It's gonna be super cool. Look who it is, guys. Look at this little drifter. So cute. Wall tap, wall tap, wall tap. He's got it, he's got it. Oh, look at him riding that wall. Woo! Time for a coffee. We're gonna go for a Georgia Premium Blend today. Taking my money, this trackside vending machine. I'm used to only paying 100 yen for these things, but you know how it is. There we go. You ready for that ASMR goodness, y'all? Oh yeah. So this is ice cold coffee today. And it is definitely the premium. I can't recommend this enough. Try it out, guys. Okay, so I just spent like the last 30 to 40 minutes getting my alignment dialed in much better. As you saw in the previous video, I did say I had to do some alignment adjustments, and that did help, but it was nowhere near where it needed to be. So I actually got a friend who's not here anymore. He was visiting from Canada. His name's Matt. He helped me out, and we both got on the ground and did the whole tape measure thing to get the alignment perfect. Now the car drives straight and it's all good, but the damage is unfortunately already done. This wheel used to be on this side, but yeah, it was dragging so much that it did this. So I'm hoping that these will last. Worst case scenario, I've still got like my normal 18s there, and I'll just keep an eye on my rears and make sure that I don't pop these, so I can at least get home and we'll go from there. But man, it sucks. Alignments, man, I just wish I could like set it and forget it, but they're always forever changing. If you hit a pothole and things like that, sometimes they mess stuff up. So, oh well, these things happen. Crap! Oh man, butt clenching moment right there. Oh man, the adrenaline pumping through there. That was amazing. So this is Jason's JZX100 Cresta. Thing's super nice and clean. He picked this up recently, I think like only a couple of weeks ago, and he's actually a subscriber and in our Discord. I believe his Discord name is like Lightning Child. Super cool. He's heading over now, so I'll be able to confirm, but I love the 32 wheels. They look so good on a Cresta. Dude, what's your Discord name? Is it Lightning Child?
Wild Child Lightning.
Wild Child Lightning. I was kind of right. Dude, it's pretty clean, man. You even got a HKS front mount. Thing looks baller. What are your plans for this? Just slam it and drift it?
I want to get rid of the body kit.
Yep.
And then slam it, and more aggressive wheels.
More aggressive wheels? Hell yeah, man.
Yeah, camber, this and that.
This and that. Nice, man. Awesome. Going for like the Shackleton style?
Yeah. And
sweet.
Basically making it harder to drive to drift.
Harder to drift, making it harder to drift. Okay, that seems like a counterintuitive idea. Anyways, man, cool car. Thanks heaps. He's letting me take his car out for a bit.
That is my car, and he's just driving and drifting. And I'm the cameraman. Hold the kitchen head. He's drifting. Wow.
It's so weird. It's so weird. Get the hang of it.
Tap the skyline.
Tap the skyline. You gotta just tap it, just a little tap, all right? Oh, okay, that'll do. So Koichi Miyamoto-san is out shredding in his JZX. Woo! Low-key, that thing's 500 horsepower, still got aircon, heater, and can be totally road registered. So just taking another quick look over Koichi's car, the company he owns is called Missile. So if any of you guys need any body kit parts for your JZX, either get this Chaser, Mark II, and even Cresta, they make parts for all of them. So definitely check them out. You get over fenders, you get your boot lids, really nice kind of like diffusers and stuff. And then check this out, front wide fenders with over fenders, front lips and canyards, front bumper, hood, the whole kit. And I know a lot of people struggle to find Cresta parts. So if you got a JZX Cresta, Missile is where you need to go. It's literally Missile, like as in the thing that America shoots at places. That's probably a really bad description. Missile, there you go. Go check them out if you need any parts from Japan for your Cresta or your JZX and want some cool body stuff, definitely hit them up. It's so good to see people out here learning. So this is that boy that's 14 years old and he's just killing it with figure eights and donuts. He's got a really good control and he's just learning. He's improved so much in the last few days, it's ridiculous. And then you got Masashi-san out here, who's also improved so much today. I'm so happy to see him doing well and learning his car. So I'm really excited for the day when we can do tandem battles together because I know he's going to be a good driver. Okay, so the day is over. Man, what a fun way to end the day. Seriously the best. But like towards the end of it, I was like, man, my tires feel like they've gotten really grippy and they literally have turned into semi-slicks. Definitely loving the rear alignment that I eyeballed because both of these are now like pretty even and I don't get camber wear. How good is that? All right, changing tires back to street ones. Then we're heading to Okachan's workshop. Sort some stuff out with the front tires, new front tires because of that bad bad alignment wear that we need to sort out because that's a little bit kind of dangerous to drive on, right? But man, such a fun day. I seriously love the family that we have here, that we all drive together and have fun. And these guys, it's so good to have this guy back as well because he's been away at work and hasn't been able to come out drive with us. But to have all three of us here again is like, it's a momentous occasion. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, let's just pack up and go. Okay, so heading back to Yashio factory with Okachan. We've got a bunch of stuff to do back there, including sorting out the front tires. So looking forward to hanging out with him. But for now, man, like today was awesome. The way that we ended it with those last few laps and the tandems and the little bit of dude, check out the workshop with the Hachinoku in there. Dude, that's so cool. That's awesome. All right, hang on, gotta pay attention, I'm driving. Anyways, yeah, today was just amazing. Let's get to the workshop, pick it up from there. How nice is this view, guys? Sunset, nothing but rice fields. Super cool. So we're at this huge PA that I've never been here before. And how awesome is the Hello Kitty themed vending machine section? This is sick. And they've also, even all the vending machines got Hello Kitty on it. That's cool. God, I love Japan. Their promo ideas are sick. And it looks like they got like a full dog playgrounds thing here. I don't even know what you'd call that, but that's pretty cool. Good on you. Okay, so we're back at Yashio. Already got the car up in the air and we're moving fast so that everyone can go home because they're helping me out. Already got one tire changed. We're going for the Valinos again because these things got so much grip on them and they feel amazing. I'm about to just debead this one. I'll put you guys on the time lapse, smash this out, and we'll pick it up from there. Okay guys, so I'm now heading home and man, we smashed out those tires in record time, but I just want to take a moment to talk to you guys. And just say how thankful I am to Okachan, Yashio Factory, and all the Okajuku guys for their help and support today. It was just absolutely unbelievable and I'm completely gobsmacked. Like seriously, a whole bunch of guys came back to the workshop. They helped me smash out the tire change in record time just so that I could get home safely because obviously driving on that was just like asking for something to happen. That probably would have blown out on the way home. I guarantee you it was so bad. But anyways, yeah, just thank you once again to Okachan, Yashio Factory, and all of the Okajuku students that helped me out. Really appreciate it. But yeah, we are heading home now, as I said, so we're gonna get home and we'll wrap things up. Okay, so I completely forgot to film an outro. I came home and I just completely crashed and slept. I got up super early at 4:30 so that I could edit this in time for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, the event was absolutely amazing. Everyone helped out so much and we just had a really good time and I learned a lot, and I'm really excited because I'm now starting to learn how to drive my car with more angle, get a lot more confident with tandems, as you guys probably saw. But anyways guys, thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Make sure you get some SAMMIT stickers, it really helps out. Link in the description, and I'll catch you all later guys. Ja mata ne.